Good morning from Athens in Greece. Happy days. Got a juice, beautiful day. You can see behind us, we've got the Acropolis behind us as well. So we're going to do a bit of a sightseeing day today. I said it's a beautiful day, guys. So we're in Montserrat Square. We arrived yesterday, so we had a little walk around, and today now we're going to do all the sightseeing trips and see what there is around this place. So you know what time it is. Let's go. So just finished our juices now and walking up to the Acropolis. We bought tickets online, so you can like sort of queue jump and things like that, so you haven't got to wait for ages. We're just walking up this little side street here now, and there's some cool little colours on the buildings. I'll show you, have a little look around. Yeah, there's a cool little vibe going on around here. It's really nice. I'm really enjoying ourselves here. Yeah, so we're gonna keep going now, and we'll see you up at the Acropolis. Okay, so on our way up to the Acropolis, we've just climbed up a little way, but we've come across this crazy view, so check it out. Hey, stunning. Ooh, lovely view. Right, come on, we'll get there. So that's the Odeon of Herodes Atticus. So that's what we believe, that's what we've been told anyway. But it's a nice little sort of like amphitheatre, isn't it? You know, we probably sit and watch some sort of philosophical lectures or some events. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Could imagine sitting in there, as I said, listening to them talk and giving lectures. But yeah, we've just got into the Acropolis now. As I said, we bought tickets online, so what I'll do, I'll drop a link to where we bought tickets. It's kind of a fast track, so you can beat all the queues, but there was no queues. So maybe think of what time you come in during the year, if there's going to be queues or not. But anyway, I'll drop a link in the description below, and you can find where we got tickets for it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to keep heading up, and we'll take you along for the ride. So yeah, so we were just hearing that they actually still do modern plays in the Odeon.
And musical concerts.
And musical concerts as well. Yeah. So that'd be quite cool actually to go and see. So I don't know if you can get sort of tickets online or something to actually see a concert. But yeah, it would be alright sitting in there watching a play or something, you know. But yeah, there's so much more to actually see than just the Acropolis. You know, we've just been wandering around, and there's just so much more things to see. I'll show you now, just walking around. There we go. There's quite a bit of stuff to actually see around here, you know. As we were walking up, you could see the views. There was still sort of like, you know, loads of old historical sites around the place. So there's plenty to see. As I said, we're going to have a look, see what this is, just down here now. Yeah. You see, guys, are getting busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people here. It was quiet when we got here. But,
what is this, like 20 to 10?
Yeah, 20 to 10. So if you're going to get here, come earlier, because I'm assuming you'll probably get a bit busier. No, but yeah, there's some of these sort of pillars here. We'll have a little check out of these now. See what they are, some sort of inscriptions on them. So I'm assuming there's some sort of Honorary, oh there we go. Marble
Honorary.
base with a honorary inscription. 210 AD. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, as I said, so I guess a lot of people probably just go straight up to the Acropolis. You know, the Parthenon, is it? It's called.
Parthenon,
I think
that's the one.
somebody will know if that's right or not. You know, drop a comment below and let us know if we're pronouncing that right. But yeah, so there's so much more to see. So it's definitely worth the ticket price because there's a lot to actually see. As you can see, so there's still more stuff down there. So we'll take a walk down this way now and we'll have a look, see what we come across down here.
Oh wow.
Right, so we're more or less here at the top now. Just wanted to quickly show you the reality that
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 10
in the morning. 10 in the morning.
the reality that they don't show you in the travel guide. So check us out here. Bit crazy, and they just dispersed, so they were just sort of taking photos. They're on a school trip, I think they were. But yeah, so it's nuts. Crazy. 10 o'clock in, where are we? March. So I can imagine it's June, July.
This is off season, eh?
Yeah, I don't be bonkers. But anyway, so we thought we'd stop off for a second while they all take their photos, and we've got a nice little view to actually check out.
Yes.
So have a look at that. Can't beat a nice view, can you? You know, don't get me wrong, it's lovely up here, and you've got all the nice sort of sights to see and the history of it. But I love a view, you know. So the walk up is kind of worth it because you get to see the lovely Acropolis, you know, the Parthenon up there. But you also get a cracking view as well, you know. So yeah, it's lovely up here. So we'll go up and we'll take a look around. Lisa's not looking, but there we go.
Sorry. I'm just looking at the amazing view. I wasn't paying attention.
Enjoying the view.
I was miles away.
We love a view. We could do with a coffee shop. A coffee would be lovely up here now.
You might find one.
You never know. Who knows? Let's go on a coffee hunt, is it, instead? Right, let's keep going. It's crazy, absolutely just jam-packed full of people. But we're gonna try and make our way up there now, because yeah, we want to go up there and see it.
Well, we're here now, so we might as well go to the top.
We want to go to the top and see it. So I think it's you know, as you can see, it's a bit busier over there, but there's a lot of people just taking their photos and enjoying themselves, I guess, isn't it? You know,
Yeah.
that's the thing, isn't it? Even though there's a lot of people here, everyone's here to enjoy themselves. So yeah, we're gonna walk up here now and have a look. See what's up here. People taking photos everywhere you go. It's nuts. So yeah, but yeah, I think just there really was where the majority of people were sort of congregating,
So just outside.
taking their photos. But there we go. We've cleared the queues now, and check it out. Wow. There we go. See why people come up here. Yeah, it's lovely. As I said, I think it's worth the ticket price anyway for the amount of things that you can see here anyway. But yeah, here we go. There it is. We'll go up by there now. We'll have a little walk around by there. And like I said, it's a bit sort of still people around, but it's just people can more disperse, I guess, rather than just congregate in one area. But yeah, people are just up here enjoying themselves. Got some tour guides, so there you go. You can get a tour guide, I guess, show you around. But we just like to have a little walk around, you know. There's plenty of plaques here telling you, you know, the history of it, and what things are. So if you want to spend the money on a tour guide, go for it. Right, let's have a look around. As you can see, guys, they're still doing sort of works on it. I'm guessing just to keep it intact. Because I'm guessing how old it is. There's probably some bits of it that need some repair and maintenance. But can you imagine, building that back in the day? That's so impressive, isn't it? We don't see architecture like that anymore, really, do we? It's kind of a dying trade, I think, anyway. You don't see it really that often. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's really impressive. Yeah, really enjoying our little walk around here. And like I said, it's definitely worth coming and checking it out. Like I said, the queues are a bit crazy, but it was quiet when we first got here. But yeah, it's just got nuts now. So best thing to do, I'd say, is to come early, or come later on in the afternoon. Here we go, guys. As you can see behind us, there it is. The Parthenon. I said, yes, it's good up here. It's so much nice views up here as well. So, obviously
it's like
you've got
360, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's like a viewing tower, I guess. So to be honest, the admission alone, just to come up to the top here and see the views, is worth it. But obviously to see some sort of historical architecture, especially seeing that as well, is definitely worth the admission fee. I said there's loads of people up here just taking photos. We've taken some photos ourselves. We've stopped off, yeah, we're really enjoying ourselves up here. So yeah, we'll spend a bit of time up here now. We're just chilling on a marble bench, as you can see down there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is, marble bench. Just enjoying. The camera's sort of going dark on me. I'll have to sort that out. Yeah, so yeah, we're just chilling up here, really. Sun's out, and the thing is, we've just come from snowy conditions back in the UK, in Wales. It was freezing.
Was it 18?
It was about 18, 19 degrees.
We
so
think
we
it's like 30.
It was absolutely baking. I wish I had a pair of shorts on, to be honest.
Need the
jeans
sunscreen.
on. I know, sunscreen. Not used to it. That's Wales people. We're not used to it. We need it to be a little bit cooler than what it is, but no, we're enjoying it. We're enjoying it.
Yeah, no, don't say that.
No, it's lovely, really nice. Even more busier now than it was when we got here. So we thought it was busy, but there's just queues like crazy. So yeah, like I said, guys, if you're gonna come up here, get up here early, because it's just mental now. So I think we're gonna probably make our way down now, because yeah, it's too much people up here for us.
Good with crowds.
No, we don't like the crowds. We understand you come to these touristy places, you're gonna get crowds. It's just part and parcel of it. That's why people come here, isn't it? That's why we're here, to see it and to show you guys around. But yeah, it's just getting mental now. So I think we're gonna head down. We've got a couple of more sites we want to go and see anyway. So we're gonna make the most of that. We've got a ticket for that. But I think we're just gonna go and grab a coffee, I think.
Coffee time.
Let's get down and go for a coffee. Coffee time.